welcome back. So in my last videos, I talk about the new indicator that I just built and how you can use it for any asset class. I show how I have actually used it for assets like volume over crash, how the trade play out, how I use it on step index and the trade played out. I use it on multiple assets and the trade played out. Now, some people who really want to understand, okay, if I'm getting the indicator now, how did I use it? Because you are just talking about how powerful the indicator is. How do you use it? Of course, I explained how to use it on boom and crash a little bit, but let me break it down in a very simple way that you will understand. Now, if I'm actually a trader, I want to first of all understand the trend. I don't necessarily have to start analyzing when I buy indicator. What I want to use with indicator to actually understand the trend is to actually go to multiple time frame. So I want to go to higher time frame to have a year. For instance, so if we're looking at crash 300, just like we have it before our face now, if I'm going to make a decision based on crash 300, why exactly am I buying? You can see obviously from here that the market have made a push from here and it's headed towards there and it has touched this place, and probably you believe it's coming all the way down on 4 hours. I want you to think about it again, because this is it on the weekly time frame. The market has touched here and went all the way down, which is a normal thing to expect. The market has gotten to this level. Now the market has pushed away from this level. What did you expect again? To actually get to here or to get to any point that is irrelevant. So if I'm actually trading it now on 1 hour or 2 hours, I have been informed on the weekly time frame that if I can see opportunity for a buy, that is a quality entry than to sell. Of course, sell can actually be for some minutes, but buy will be much more reliable and dependable. So what will I do? I will use that information to make a decision based on buy. And for people that are on my channel, you will know the reason why the market is spiking currently. This is on 1 hour. Market has touched the upper level. The normal thing for the market to do is to react. But because I've seen on higher time frame, I've used higher time frame for understanding, for analysis. So what do I need to do if I'm trading based on higher time frame? Number one is that I want to enter the right entry. Number two is that I want to relax. But if I don't enter the right entry, for instance, we're looking at this now on 1 hour, I entered late. We're just looking at it. Number one is that I enter here when I supposed to have entered around when market push away from this zone. I did not enter here. Now I enter at this point, which is just me making entry after the market retested this level. So making an entry. Of course, I believe I use 5 minutes to enter. It's on my Telegram channel. You will see it. That 5 minutes show opportunity then. And the take profit 1 and take profit 2 of the 5 minutes as a hit. The market has hit it without going lower to negative. So understanding it on higher time frame will give you rest. Now if I'm actually trading based on a long term, like I'm taking a swing trade, what it means is that I want to enter at a good entry. So at least I'll probably make my entry from, let's say, 4 hours or daily. Now if it is 4 hours, it would have been here, it will not be here. And in fact, it is 4 hours that is here, I would have been able to get out of my trade already. But if it is on, what do you call it now, on daily time frame, the market has also touched the higher level, which is from here that you are going to buy, or here, then the market has touched the upper zone. So on daily, the market has tested the level. On 4 hours, it has tested the level. Then for weekly, the market has not yet tested. So it means that the market can make a pullback but still eventually go up and touch this upper level, because on the weekly we can see that the market is going to get to 860. You can check this for any other asset. This is step index, and I think this is okay. This step index on this, if you are on my VIP, I tell my VIP people that the market is going to sell on higher time frame. I call a short of a buy today, and we took the market gave us about $10 profit, a very small profit. The market continues selling because why? The trend is down, is not up. So what will make sense is to actually spot opportunity for a sell. Well, I gave a buy because the market we were late for a sell, so late, or a sell a short opportunity for a buy, and I told them to keep their eyes open that on the weekly time frame the market is going to drop. Even on daily time frame, you can see the market has touched that level and it's going all the way to this point. Now you can make a pullback, give another opportunity for a sell on small time frame like 15 minutes, 5 minutes. You can give opportunity like that, but it will be better for me to be selling all the way to 5792. How would that make sense? So this is how to use the indicator if you have the indicator, and it's going to help your trading at any point, at any time. Now I must say this: try as much that it is when the market give that opportunity, that the market get to the zone, react to the zone, that you take your trade. The volume over crash that I took, that I make a video about, was almost okay on 4 hours. The market have pushed in, but the 4 hours, the next 2 hours has not yet even completed when I took the trade, and the market kept buying, because that is expected of it. Now if you decide to enter late, you can be of the conflict because the market make a pullback, which is a normal thing. Remember, this gives you the entry opportunity to enter as a sniper. If you are not positioning yourself to actually take advantage of it, then you are the one also still missing out on the most important reason why you acquired the indicator. Because why you want to enter is that you want to take trade that is going to be at least 1 to 30, 1 to 20 weeks reward on higher time frame, or let's say on lower time frame, 1 to 5, 1 to 10. How would that make sense? And I hope you understand it. If you still don't understand, you can reach out to me and I will explain further. To get the indicator, the price is just $40. You can get it, and I will render every support that you may need to actually scale up in using it. I'm still Nuato, and I'll see you again in my next video.